Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious chocolate chip cookie. This is a recipe when I worked in the bakery while I was in school that was used for most of the students. And anytime I make these cookies, a lot of people love them. So I'm going to share the recipe with you guys and I hope you enjoy. As long as you get the measurements right, your cookies will turn out perfect. So first we're going to need 5 3/4 ounce of sugar, and you're going to need 5 3/4 ounce of brown sugar, and 4 ounces of butter, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 7/8 teaspoon of baking powder. Next we're going to beat together the butter and the sugars and the vanilla extract together until it's nice and fluffy. And make sure to leave your butter out of the fridge in advance before making this recipe. It'll make it a lot easier, because if you try to microwave that or heat it up, your cookies are going to end up really runny. Once you have this mixed, your mixture should look something like this. And now we're going to add the liquid egg. It is recommended to use liquid egg rather than mixed eggs. You can do mixed eggs, so you're going to go ahead and put 5 1/4 ounce of liquid egg in there and stir. After it's all mixed, this is what it should look like. Next, we're going to start with our dry mix, which you're going to need all-purpose flour at 13 ounces. Then we're going to add in the 7/8 teaspoon of baking soda and the 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix thoroughly, and now we're going to add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. It does not matter which way you do this, preferably whichever is the largest container, you want to put that ingredients in there. And make sure you're doing it in small amounts, so this allows it to mix thoroughly. And last but not least, we're going to mix in our 11 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Once you're complete mixing, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. So if you haven't already done so, you can start prepping your cooking sheets. You can use parchment paper, or you can use pan spray or butter. This will help prevent the cookies from sticking. And as you notice that I dipped the spoon in the water, this helps to prevent the cookies from sticking to your equipment. This is just a fun little tip that I learned from the bakery that I had worked at. Once you've completed putting your cookies on a spreadsheet and making sure they're evenly spaced apart, we can go ahead and start putting them into the oven. And you're going to want to set this for about 12 minutes to start off, but you might want to add on an extra 7 minutes if you want that golden top to the cookies. Go ahead and leave them sit on the oven for a few minutes so they can cool down, and once they've cooled enough, you can go ahead and take that spatula and put them on another sheet and enjoy. Thanks for watching this video on Time for Food of how to cook chocolate chip cookies. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram at timeforfood007. And if you're interested in more fun with the Naidus, check out our new channel on YouTube called I Am Naidu. You can also follow our channel on I Am Naidu007 on Instagram. We have wonderful videos of travel and our sports of cricket and vaulting. Go ahead and click the link that's down below in the detail for Instagram and our YouTube. Follow and subscribe for more adventures with the Naidus. Thanks for watching.